Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the if condition feature in BitForm. Let's begin. To edit your form, either click on the three-dot icon, then select Edit Form, or directly click on the Edit option below the form name. Now go to the Settings section. Then select Conditional Logics. Click on the Add Conditional Logic button. Set the condition based on your purpose. If the first name is equal bit, and the last name is equal apps, then the email field value is support@bitapps.pro. Then click on the Update button. When someone fills out the form with the first name is bit and the last name is apps, then the email address support@bitapps.pro will automatically populate in the email field. Now let's fill out the form. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.